guys, thanks for joining me for another unboxing. How are you doing? I hope you're okay, guys, and I hope your week's been going great and you're having some smooth shaves, more important. Right, Shaverage first. Shaverage of the day is Henry Weston's Vintage Cider. I love this stuff, it's beautiful. And it's made in Herefordshire, here in the UK. And it's smooth and rounded finish on it. Weston's Cider Makers. And this one's for you, Mark. Mark Bagwell. There you go, buddy, if I can see it. 8.2. So let's get it open. Yeah, thanks for joining me, guys. Here we go. Remembered the glass. It's just about a pint bottle. Oh yeah, really. It's like a dry cider. It states medium dry, but it smells of dry apple, if that makes sense. It's beautiful. Cheers, guys. All the best. It's like mother's milk. Right, unboxing. That's what we're here for. First one. Draper, as usual, when I can find him. Get this open. I got this from Shaving Station, this one. Because they didn't have it at shaving time. And I went for a couple of creams. I haven't bought any creams for a while. I can't go wrong with these creams. I'm a bit late to the party on them, and you'll see why. It's been released for quite a while. And the first one is Nuggets. Tobacco leaf. I've wanted this for a while, and it's been out a while, and I just had other things I wanted to get. I love the way that they come with the lid. Oh yeah. You can smell the tobacco, leather, bit of coffee there in the background. You can't go wrong with Tobbs creams. Very affordable, budget friendly, and good quality. So if anybody's new or thinking of changing this way to shaving, a good way of going about it is creams. They're easier to lather and work with, and especially Tobbs. There are others, GF Trumpers are another good one. They're a good way to start. And the second one I've gone for is Lime Zest. I wanted this at the beginning of the summer because it's more of a summer. This is more of an autumn, winter scent. This is more of a summer. But you can use them all year round. Yeah. It's like the zest of a lime. You know, the peel when you zest it and put it in a cake or something when you're baking. Beautiful. So, there you go. 2 creams. Next one. The big one. I thought it would have been smaller than this because there should only be 2 soaps, 2 splashes. I'm assuming it's all packaging. And this one's from Shaving Time. Well wrapped, both of them. Good packaging. There's the invoice. Yeah, keeping that one, Scott. There you go. More nuggets. I went with another cream, to be honest with you, and I've wanted this for a while as well. And it's vegetable soap, so it's vegan. Crème de Barber. And it's Stormo. I've wanted this for a while. 17 Stormo. It's absolutely beautiful. Extra Cosmesi. You see the colour of it. And I love the glass. Glass jars. The embossed extra is not quite there in the middle, if you can see. I don't know if you can make it out, guys. Another autumn scent. That's beautiful. It's got a unique scent to this because of the cannabis oil. That might put some people off buying it. It did me for a while, but I got the Rock, the Dead Sea, and that's got cannabis oil in it, and it's a fantastic scent. Looking forward to that. Look at the colour. That's great. It was what I ordered. And we got the matching splash. There we go. And it's an EDP, I think. Or was it EDT? Oh yeah, it's masculine. You can smell the cannabis oil. It doesn't smell like a cannabis though. It's hard to explain, but it does. It helps the soap with the scent. It's unbelievable. Right, looking forward to that. And the next one is Sterling Amorous. I wanted to get this. It's a seasonal soap. It's a limited edition, so I think, no, it was this one. That was the last one. They're out of stock on that now, but this is a limited edition for the autumn. Wow, there's bergamot in there. It's like a slight bit of citrus as well, unless it's coming off the lime. That is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful scent. Amorous. And we got the matching splash. Can't wait to try these, guys. So if you had anything new for the post, you're waiting for anything, now's the time to get it before the rush for Christmas. And it started in work. Oh, the parcels are unbelievable. I love the way they seal these bottles. Solid seal on it. So even if the lid gets damaged, cracked, it won't leak anywhere. Oh, guys, it's absolutely amazing. What I'm holding it up to you for. Wish we did have smell-o-vision. Right, a little shopping spree on Monday. Cheers, guys. Went down the wrong hole. Mrs. B wants to go to Superdrug after work, and we have one where we're based in town called Mould, up here in North Wales. She wants to go to Superdrug. I'll pop along with you. So I did. I spotted these at the last minute. Bespoke of London. EDPs. And the half price. I don't know if you guys in the States or wherever you are have Superdrugs. These were £4, I think £4.79, something like that, I think. And I think they've got about 7 or 8 different scents. This one is caramel, amber and cashmere. Now I put this on, I think it was 8:30 at night, just before I went to bed, because I had to be up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and I could still smell it. So it just lasts a few hours. It's beautiful. That's a warm, calm scent. So go and have a look, guys, before they sell out at that price. So I got 2 of them. Not 2 of these, a different one. And I got Oriental Woods and Amber on this one. Good packaging. There you go. Oh, the button's a bit crooked on that one. Woo, woo, woo. It's 8.2%. Oh, that's a spicy one. It's a bit more spicy. That's nice. Tomorrow or Saturday, I'm going to nip in and get a couple more. Ideal for work. Instead of using the expensive stuff. So there you go. Bespoke of London, guys. Right, and that's it. I can't wait to use these. I might use one on my next shave tomorrow. I don't know. Right, thanks for joining me, guys. It was just another cheeky, quick video of what's coming into the den, just to share it with you. And that's it. Right, see you tomorrow for the shave. Have a great day tomorrow. I hope everything goes well for you, whatever you're doing. And cheers. Thanks a lot, guys. See you tomorrow. Stay safe.